the champion, and you're gonna hear me roar.
Damn, right? Oh, God, I have to sneeze.
Every baby! Still prick! Shoot!
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Never really heard a guy sing that song, but you're really good.
Thank you.
By the way, when we shower in here, we keep our suits on.
Ah.
Bye.
Hi. Oh, God, I have to sneeze. Oh, that's me. Real quick, commando, but oh my God. I'm gonna redo this.
I failed miserably.
Every baby! Still prick! Shoot! Are you guys seeing this too?
I'm never gonna forget it.
I think my water broke.
Ahoy, get out here and bring the mop bucket. Sophie's in labor.
I'm calling the car right now.
I'm scared.
She should be scared. She's wearing electric underwear.
Holy fuck! Oh, fuck.
God, it's hard to breathe. So today is day 2 of 6 milligrams. So close and yet so far. It's incredibly hard. Or I get really lightheaded and like almost pass out. It's kind of scary, but it's just a bunch of sneezes. Oh my God. I might have to pause this taper. I really don't want to. I just want this to be fucking over.
Oh. Really good.
get ready for, we're going to see a show tonight and go out for dinner. I am performing on a cruise ship for the next 2 weeks, the MSC Bellissima I'm on, that cruises around Japan and South Korea. So we've been rehearsing all day. Today was a sea day. The girls and I were rehearsing our show, and now I've only got half an hour to get ready. But I don't know whether to go heel or boot. The boot is definitely comfier, but the heel's a bit spicier. I'm gonna slick my hair. Wow, I look so good. So I just start by wetting my hair. In a bit of a rush. This down lighting is not very flattering. And I need to blow my schnoz. Sorry, I'm sniffy. I already have some makeup on, but I'm just going to make it a bit more nighttime, I guess. Maybe put a bigger earring in. I didn't bring many earring options actually, silly me. Something wrong about that. A bit bold. Oh well. Ah well. Don't really put much care into the bun part. Yeah, I need a bigger earring. I look like an egg. See, I need to get my hair done. My little ranger bits are coming out. Look. I'm exposed. I'm a natural redhead. Well, only in these little parts around my face. These baby hairs. Oh no, they're really flicking up too. Stay down. Now I look like I'm going to a dance Stefford. Stay. Okay. Whatever. Concealer. Bit more colour on my face. After all of that concealer. Bit of a darker lip. I'm gonna bring a handbag. Stunning. Oh, I think I've got to go. Lipstick. Lipstick. Where's my lipstick? Look with your eyes. Lovely. Where the fuck? Oh, I put it in my pocket.
Yep, every single time.
Mama Pops. Adika added some water.
Oh my gosh.
What's your muster station? I got Neese. What's your muster station? B? Yeah. Oh yeah. Jeez.
He is not the love of... Hit him with your car!
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.